So guys, I was replacing my cartridge for the tub, and it's Moen 12801. Went to the Ace Hardware store and couldn't find it. I was like, what the heck? I was looking for 12801 and it wasn't there. So I stumbled on this one right here. It's 1225. It's Moen also, and apparently it's exact same thing. As you can see right here, look, it's 12801. It's the same thing. Exact same piece. Just want to help you guys out so you won't be feeling lost just like I was. And you can find an Ace Hardware store probably anywhere. So look for this 1225 instead of 12801. And I hope it helps somebody. And thank you for watching. Bye.